Hello everybody, welcome to cooking. Today we are going to be eating sewer shrimp. That sounds pretty crazy, but it's true. So, earlier today we got some shrimp and we got some extra goodies to eat. And so, here's our adventure of getting the stuff. There's the place. Let's go. Let's get us some shrimp. Let's get us some shrimpos. Alright, so apparently there's a big old party in town and all the shrimp is gone. And I can't believe I forgot about this, so I guess we gotta go find the shrimp somewhere else now. But we did get some lemonade as a beverage, so when we do find shrimp, we can wash it down in the secret eating area. And then also, Riley is vegetarian, so we got him a snack too. Oh wait, come back. What is it? Oh, score! No way! Let's go!
What else I found?
Oh yes, we're gonna get that too. This is a beauty. Alright, so you saw we got all that epic loot, so now we gotta go eat it. So, let's go. So we're going to a place, and it's pretty scary. It's a big drainage ditch. And also, just a little fact about the shrimp here.
Oh, look at the shrimp.
A fact about the shrimp, it's supposed to thaw out overnight, but we thawed it for like 2 hours. So it's gonna be crunchy shrimp.
Let me hear that crunch.
Okay guys, so here's the place. Follow me. This is gonna get crazy, guys. So, it's right in there. You can't really see it because of the vegetation, but you can kind of see some metal bars, and that's where we're heading.
All right, see you guys in a jiffy.
Yeah.
All right, we're getting close.
I hear people. Oh my God! Oh no, Riley! Why did you do that?
I tried to get a run. Ooh,
Big Slimer.
Starbucks bottle.
Should we bring that cone? Yeah, I thought those people were gonna kill us. Dude, it's a blood. This is a blood symbol. This is where the bloods go.
All right, guys, we've got the shrimp, lemonade, cheese. Let's go.
Here we go, guys.
Cheese want to be like. Yeah.
There are people in there.
Hey guys! You want some cheese? Okay. 1 second.
Hey, if y'all go all the way back,
Keep going, there's a whole nother tunnel.
okay.
You go up the ladder.
Alright.
You didn't want my cheese. That was
Oh, shopping cart. Score. Ooh.
I'm done. This is.
Alright, let's go. Riley's gonna need this.
Okay, past this point, it's gonna be super wet.
Okay guys, here we are. And this is where we're gonna be feasting on some shrimp. Mmm.
I got the cheese.
So we got some cheese, and we got some shrimp, and we got some yummy lemonade. And Arias is paranoid.
Yes, I am.
And here's our table.
Oh, they got a green tennis ball.
This is a feast.
Okay guys, here we are in the tunnel of the blood bowl. Here is our shrimp.
Shrimp time.
It's shrimp time, guys. Alright guys, we're popping open the cocktail sauce. Oh, okay. Mmm, that's some good cocktail sauce.
So you guys know, we do have
You're
12
taking it out of
ounces
the
of cheese. So this will be very tasty.
And here's the cocktail sauce for a close-up look. Here's all the shrimp, boys.
I'm scared of this shrimp.
Taking the first bite.
Alright guys, first bite of the shrimp.
That's good.
There's some
Here
good
for some
shrimp.
cheese to go with that.
Yeah, I want to take the cheese.
And now it's feasting time.
Alright, I'll take the cheese.
Got this lemonade.
Oh yeah, we got some lemonade.
And pass it on the jug.
Super sweet.
Yeah.
Let me get some.
That's
No,
good.
no, no, you're drinking last.
Alright, so you want some lemonade?
No, I can't.
Oh, I thought you said my phone.
This is some good lemonade. Let's put it back on.
Why did we buy such a big shrimp thing again?
Eat it. How much have you eaten?
One.
It's not the best shrimp I've ever had. This is gonna be all in a big time lapse. So we gotta be eating this shrimp.
Hey guys, hi!
Or we're gonna make a lemonade sacrifice.
No, pour that in the can. Oh yeah, pour some out for John.
There you go, John.
Rest in peace.
Yeah, there could be someone trying to kill us. We could die at any moment. Alright, this is for you guys. I'm gonna do some shrimp in here, just so you can see what it looks like inside. Yeah, super icy. I can't really pull it apart. It's kind of frozen solid.
Wait, hold on. I have to return.
Yeah.
I have
Yeah, you
to.
can.
I have to return the shrimp to their natural habitat.
Oh yeah.
Let's have a
Let's do that.
shrimp throwing competition.
Cocktail sauce be like.
Oh my god! Dude, it's like someone just died. You got cocktail sauce all over me. We actually always have shrimp.
Yeah, because we've been throwing all over.
You've been throwing all of it. Watch it, watch it.
Oh, I just skipped the shrimp.
You scared.
Oh, that's a triple. Sounds pretty good.
In a bit. Once you finish all the shrimp. Okay, guys. Last two shrimp.
Let me get a close up on this.
We're gonna eat them both at once. I don't want to eat the shells, though. No, don't pour all the lemonade out. Stop! Oops, I dropped one on the ground, so that means there's one left. And here it is. Mmm, that's some sewer shrimp. Succulent sewer shrimp. Ready?
Succulent sewer shrimp.
Mmm, that's some good shrimp.
And I'll make a big lemonade splash.
Ooh.